Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. So I had a question about the coffee I use for my Mocha drinks, what I drink quite often. What I've been doing is I've been getting these Nescafe 3-in-1 coffees, and because they're portable, they're lightweight, they are small, compact. Then I just get some right now I'm using Swiss Miss hot chocolate. This one has marshmallows. Not that it matters. So I got enough for another one. And so I get the this one's no sugar added. When these are on sale for like buy one get one, or 2 for $4, or 2 for $3. Stock up when they're on sale. Unfortunately, I went to go buy more of these because I just ran out, and they didn't have any more. So I had to go to the international market, and I bought this Nescafe Original, and these are actually packets. So I'll just be carrying these for a while now. This whole bag, there's 30 of them in here, so I'm going to be copying it up for days. So quite a few. And while I was there, I also picked up some caramel macchiato instant shots. That'll be another video. So the coffee was this whole bag of 30 was $9.39, and then this was $3.99. I just happened to see it, thought I'd grab it. So, but you could really use any coffee you wanted, a dark roast or something else like that. And then really your favorite coffee and your favorite hot chocolate mix, or if you want, make your own. I've seen videos and recipes for homemade hot chocolate mix. It's just like cocoa powder, some kind of sweetener, and then powdered milk. So, alright, just a quick video. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. And by the way, if you ever have any questions, feel free to ask away. So, alright. Peace. So real quick, 0.6 ounces. And with the hot chocolate, it's 0.9, and together it's 1.5 ounces for the mix.